Now we're going to use the software to mirroring in Windows system on the screen. First of all, we should download the software named Transcreen from the website. Then we run the software. After that, connect to the TO20 Pro Wi-Fi hotspot. Now, this is what we got. The only thing that we have to do is to click Start Projection. Now here is the way that we could just mirroring the macOS on the LED screen. The first one, we click the Wi-Fi icon and we choose TO20 Pro. The default password is 1234567 and we could wait until it's connected. The next thing is to go through the screen mirroring. Just one click, we could make the macOS shows on the LED screen.